Hi students, I came in front of you with new video. Name of the video is fuel feed pump. Just you see here. There are two types of the fuel feed pump. One is the electrical type, other one is the mechanical type. In mechanical also there are two types, plunger type and diaphragm type. So we have looking here diaphragm type fuel feed pump. This type of the fuel feed pump is used in petrol engines on car. Okay, just you see how it works. What are the parts? What is the use of the fuel feed pump? Fuel feed pump is used to suck the fuel from the fuel tank and provides to the carburetor to suck the fuel and draws into the carburetor, and that's why this fuel feed pump is used. Okay, so just you see fuel feed pump, how it operates, who it operates, how it gets a drive. Just this pump is a fitted on engine block which is operated by engine camshaft eccentric lobe. Okay, just you see what are the parts inside and how it works. This is the most important. Just you see the parts. I have done line diagram only for understanding. Just you see, this is a diaphragm. I have written here, this is a diaphragm, rubber diaphragm. Above the rubber parts there is a separate body which can say upper body. Below the diaphragm we can say lower body. What are the parts are included in the downside body, lower body? Just you see, both bodies are, upper body and lower body are connected, fitted with these screws 6, 7, 8, whatever may be. Just you see, this is a spring, this is a returner spring, this one is center one is the plunger. I have written here plunger. At the end of the plunger, rocker arm is connected. This is the arm. So arm, this is a pivot pin, and this one is the other one end of the arm. How it works, that we'll see. Above the upper body there is two valves, एक inlet valve, एक outlet valve, inlet valve, एक outlet valve, and small springs are given there here and here. This one is the filter. Upper portion is called bowl, and this one is the in. Petrol comes from this portion and petrol goes out through this. How it works? This is most important. When engine rotates, that means crankshaft rotates, crankshaft gives a drive to the camshaft gear, and camshaft when rotates, so eccentric lobe is a design of the engine camshaft. So engine camshaft rotates, so rocker arm goes upward side with the help of the eccentric lobe. At that time what happens? So this portion comes down, other end of the arm portion comes down with plunger as well as diaphragm, rubber diaphragm. When diaphragm comes down, spring compresses, diaphragm comes down, so vacuum creates in the above the diaphragm. Due to the vacuum, inlet valve opens, outlet valve closes in closed position because of both are fitted in opposite direction. So inlet valve opens and fuel is sucked into the fuel chamber cause of vacuum. So fuel chamber fuel comes. Always it rotates and it does the function just like up down and creates a vacuum and fuel comes into the fuel chamber. And when with the help of the spring tension, diaphragm goes upside. So on the fuel pressure is given there, and due to the pressure of the diaphragm, fuel gets pressure, and with the help of the fuel force, then outlet valve opens and fuel goes out to the carburetor. Followed? It is a very simple. If you understood properly, then you like, share and subscribe. If any doubt, you can comment. Okay? Thank you very much.